So I'm replacing the fan on this inverter. It's an Onan and inverter, and I have to go ahead and change the fan because I got a fault on it. This is on one of the Wagon Tail's endurance sprinter vans. Disconnect the battery positive from underneath the chassis and turn off the breaker already. The breaker was in there, I turned it off. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that battery now. So trying to get these screws out of here from the bottom. There's 3, there's that one, and then this one. These are so, like, they're so secure. I don't know if the inverter is heavy or what, but it doesn't budge. And I got that one loose, but I still need to get the 7/16 back there. It's very tight and I can't get in there. It's like way over there on that side. I have to get in there somehow. So these wires back here, I have to disconnect the ground. I can't disconnect these right here because they're all connected inside in this panel in here, all throughout the circuit board that it has. So just this plug in that ground, and this inverter is heavy. So I don't know if I could just set it down somewhere here halfway, like a stool or something, to hold it up while I take off the top, but it's heavy. So I was able to put it here after a couple of days not doing anything with it. Came back today on Sunday and got some help from my nephew Remy to take it apart. So now we're gonna take out these cables. The ones over there has a slot that's cut open, so we can just slide that off. And I put this stool and this little piece here to hold it up. Got the last screw. Oh, there's one more over here, and that's it. Yes. Top off. Okay, that's right here. We're gonna take this off. So I gotta loosen this up here for the fan. See that?
Yeah.
All right, and then we have this bracket here with this screw that's here on top, and then this other screw here. So I'm gonna disconnect this right now. All right, there goes that. Already loosened these up with a, what is that, a 7/16. Just fits perfect in here, and I was able to take it off. So these both stay here, and there's 2 screws in here, and they use these types. I think these are called, it's a T20. That's what I used. Take out the screws. As you can see, that it's, this size is a T20 screw, and there was 2 of them on top. So now we just move this, slide it back. I'm gonna loosen this one up over here.
And I think if we just get it to lift up a little bit.
Screw here. This one has a washer. This one has like a little washer there. Put that there. Yeah, lift it up a little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Boom. This is the fan.
Nice.
Yeah, it looked like it was rubbing up on something, or just hair.
I think that's just debris.
So many years. They make. I'm not gonna say anything, but Onan does make good quality products. I mean, come on, we're going since this is 2008.
12 years.
You know what I'm saying? So 12 years of doing this.
Why
you know.
not?
Right. So now we gotta rivet these on the new fan. So I'm gonna see how this goes, so we can mimic exactly the same thing, and then put the install. So we're good to do that right now. But I already had taken it out last time. This is the model here. This is how it looks like. It came with these rivets. So now our one-handed swivel riveter kit. So we'll go ahead and install this. So let's match it up. It's gonna be matched up here like that. In there. Right here, let me take it out. Right. Alright, well here it goes. Pump. Go, we're doing this one. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump, 4 pump, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it goes. All good. So now we'll go ahead and install it. You slide it in here. Okay, slide it in. Slid in perfect. A little bit hard to get in. I'll put this all the way to the back and then lift this up a little bit and then push it in and it fell in its place. And then we have this one that goes here with the little white washer. Tighten this up. It's tight. And we connect this right in there. There we go. Very tight, secure. Put it back on and connect all the wires and everything, and slide it back down. All right, so we're gonna put this back in here, the ground, right in here. That's where it was at. And just go ahead and tighten it up. There we go. Plug one in. Nice and snug. Perfect. We'll go ahead and put this back up. I'll set this back in here. And I'm gonna line it all up. Get in there and really uncomfortable to get up in there. Got no room. He's gonna hold it up there with the 7/16, and I'm gonna go in here with the 7/16 off the socket in the bottom. Ready? Very good. Next one. There we go. Go to the next one. That's it. We're good for that. Now we just need to tighten these three here. We're good to go. Switch it on, try it. Hopefully hear the fan work.
Gang, gang.
Right, so putting this back on now. Positive, right, negative. All right, and then this one's called the shunt, S-H-U-N-T. I don't know what that means, but all right, that's nice and secured. Has some lock washers and another washer. All right, perfect. Now everything's connected. We'll turn this on for last. Go ahead and put this panel back on. This is for the light, the dome light. This is for the outlet that we have. And then that panel now, I already put this back on. Already secured, covers back on. moment of truth. Let's just go ahead and start up the generator here. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Primes first, then it starts. There you go. Once I see AC input, then I'll go ahead and do the charge rate. Kicked in. Charging. AC input. Alright, so we have that there. It's charging rate on at 15 amps, which is good. AC input. Now we gotta go check and see if the fan turns on. I'm gonna leave it on for a couple minutes. Batteries in the back. I connected this right here, the positive. Started up the generator. So let's see if we could hear that fan going in the back. And yes, that fan is working. The fan is working. So we did a good job. Right on, Remy. Nice.